This is a math holiday project book. So we are going to make a covers. First of all, we are going to take a scrapbook. We are going to put a double tape on it, and we are going to stick it, cover it with a chart. So we have removed the tape and put it on one side of it, and then from the other side we also have removed the tape and put it again on the scrapbook. So we have covered the scrapbook by this way. So now the excess chart which is left, we are going to cut it with the help of scissor, and this is going to be the output. So we are going to make a design. We are going to make a field, and which will have grass around it, and we have put a outline. Now we are going to make a square. In this square, what we are going to do, we are going to put the child's name, class and roll number in it. Next, what we are going to do is we are going to outline a bat with the help of a pencil. We are going to make a rough sketch of a bat and a ball on this field, so that it is very appropriate related to mathematics and cricket it is. Next, we are going to make wickets. So we are trying to make best what we can with free hand, make the design according to your preference. Next, what we are going to do is we are going to write the main heading in a creative way we can. So here we are going to write maths meet the cricket. Okay, maths meet sports. Then next we are going to outline the cricket part. Now we are going to sketch the parts with different color of sketches. I'm going to decorate it so that it looks very proactive and very shiny. So next I'm going to highlight the cricket with a blue sketch. I'm going to color the ball with red and white color. We are going to make we are going to make it like a field, so we are going to decorate it very well we can. Last but not least, we are going to put some of the grass near the wicket so it looks a little real life like. So this is how we are going to make it our best, and our project is complete.